Hi everyone, welcome to Enchanting Sparkle Crafts. Today I'm going to show you the Eliza Henri bow box for May 2020 and I'm going to show you what I make from the contents. I have already had a sneak peek at this myself, but this is what we've got. Fabrics, we have an A4 sheet of an ice cream and ice lolly leatherette. There is a fabric felt with ice lollies on. There is felt, it's like the colour of the ice cream cones. Got an A5 sheet of like sprinkles for the top of ice creams. Got a fine glitter here. You can see that's really sparkly. I don't know if it shows up on the video enough. And then we've got a chunky glitter that's like a waffle print, and those are A5 size. We also have a little clear of an ice lolly. I've seen other people have different clears. I think I've seen an ice cream, but these are like shakers. Kind of reminds me of a Christmas pudding, this one, for some reason. Right, and we also have two little templates. One template makes an ice lolly, which I think that goes on top of there maybe. Maybe that one actually. Yeah, an ice lolly, that one. And the other one makes an ice cream cone. Like this. So I'm going to go and make some things with these now, and I will come back later and show you what I've made with the contents of my bow box to show you how much I can make out of it. I'm going to use as much of it as possible, every last scrap if I can. So thank you for watching and I will see you soon. So I have finished making what I've made with my bow box, and I'll show you what I've made with it. You see, super pretty. I've done a, throwing it away, a medium dolly bow with a small dolly bow stacked on top. And that's the same again with that one, but with the added shaker clip. I've got two party pinch bows, two medium dollies, a couple pairs of these mini clips. I do absolutely loads of these, you'll see in my other videos. The Freya butterfly fringe clips with the super sparkly glitter. Ice lolly clips. I've used the felt on the back of those, and I've lined a 45mm clip with the ice cream fabric. And these are my favourites, the ice cream cones. When the fabrics are released, I'm going to be buying this one and this one because I'm going to be making a lot of these over the summer, I can see. Super cute and pretty. So thank you for watching my video. I will try and post more often. Not so easy in the middle of a pandemic with 4 kids home to actually film videos. It's actually at the moment 1 o'clock in the morning and they're finally all asleep and quiet. So yeah, that's everything there. Thank you for watching.